it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here and I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few items that I got from HomeGoods. Initially, I was stopping at HomeGoods just to look around and see what they have, because sometimes you stop by and you might find wonderful items, and sometimes you stop by and they don't have anything, and it was a Friday. So I decided, why not stop at HomeGoods and look to see what they might have in store. So I got a few great items that I would like to share with you today. They're all kitchen items. I wanted to also look at home decor and all the stuff, but I did not find anything that I liked, so I ended up getting a few items for the kitchen. Let's get started by watching this little clip of me shopping at HomeGoods, and then I'm going to share with you what items I ended up buying. So I've been looking for these popsicle containers forever, even at Walmart, and I did not find it, so I'm so happy I found it. And when I went to at home last time, I got one of these, but it was smaller. It was like 20, I think it was 20 inches. I'm always working around with my tape, and the one I got at home is like 16 inches and it's only $24, so I'm definitely taking this. This is still, it's my goal pot, this brand, but I am just gonna get the regular Cuisinart today, so I need one of these. I wish it was blue. I think I'm gonna get the white one. It's $80. I think that's a good price. Of course, the goal is to get one of these brands, but they don't have a larger one, and I need the larger one, so I'm gonna get this. I think this is 9 quarts or 7 quarts. I think that's 7 quarts. No, you can't shop without going to the clearance. Why is this on sale? Oh, it's broken. Of course. I don't like the handle of this. I'm not really sure of the color. It's just not. Now that I'm coming back, I'm realizing that this is not clean. I like the clean look of this, so I might end up actually taking this instead. I don't know. I'm just torn between the two. The prices are the same, I believe. Yep, they're the same. We'll see. Oh, these are pretty. What are these? Oh, coffee maker. Interesting. I don't need an air fryer, but this looks exciting. Oh, look at that air fryer. It looks so nice. HomeGoods has so many good stuff. I always wondered if these worked. I often lose avocado because I cut it and then I don't end up eating right away and it just gets rotten. So what is this one for? Lime. I think I'm gonna grab one of these today. I need the food cover. This looks pretty well made. For some reason I feel like I want this color instead of the regular white. This is nice. This is nice for bowls. Look at this. Cutest thing ever. $50. It's so... Welcome back. First item is going to be this whisk. I do have a whisk at home, but it's plastic, so it doesn't really have a lot of strength. If you have something that's heavy, it doesn't do a good job. So I saw this and I was like, why not grab one of those? So this was $3.99, which I hope that's a good price, because I have no idea how much it should cost. Obviously, we all know what the whisk looks like, so nothing special, just a regular whisk. This second item, I'm not sure, because I've seen this all around. I've seen the tomato one, I've seen the onion, I've seen the oranges, I've seen all types of these storage pots. So I grabbed one of these avocado pots. I don't know if this thing works or not. But comment below if these things really work, because I'm not really sure. So this was $2.99, which that's a lot of money. That's just a lot of money. It has the shape of an avocado. Oh, I like the inside. It's pretty shiny. So I guess it has a lot of space inside. I'm really gonna try this. Oh, it closes pretty well. So it might actually work. I'm actually excited about this now. Hopefully it was worth my money, because this was $2.99. $3 for this, that's just too much money, but oh well. So the third item obviously is a food cover.
Surprise!
I don't know what I was thinking. $3? I don't know. Let me know if this is too much money. I just feel like these things should be like $1 or like $1.99. This is $2.99. That's $3. Either way, so I currently have the white version and it's all broken. Some parts are like burnt, so I'm really excited to have a new one. And I wanted this color because I'm just tired of that clear one. So this is kind of like a grayish type of color. I really love it. I really love it. I really like this one. So I'm excited to start using it. I've been looking for ice pop makers. I found some on Amazon, but they were not the style I wanted. And when I saw these, I was like, I don't care how much it is, I'm gonna grab one. They have so many colors, but I ended up grabbing this color because my kitchen color theme is this type of teal color, and this was $4, so $3.99. I always round up because obviously a penny, like a penny, how much? Yeah, so I always round it up. So this is a set of 6 pieces, so I'm very excited about these. If I see these, I grab it. It doesn't matter if it was not in my budget. Obviously it's always in my budget, because when I see this tea, I always have to grab it. I love this tea. So this is the green tea with lemon. I've tried different flavors, but I love this brand. It's so classic. If you watch any of my HomeGoods videos, you will notice that I always have this. Socks don't do me justice, so I always make sure I drink something hot, and it's usually tea to keep me warm at work. So yeah, before we continue, make sure to click that subscribe button if you have not yet done so, and hit that like button. The 5th item, which I'm very excited about, is this pot. I currently have one of these type of pots, but it's already like scratched. I've had it for almost like 5 to 6 years. $40 for 5 years is worth it. It's definitely worth it. So if I'm gonna lose this and buy another one in 5 years, I don't mind. So the next item is this beautiful serving tray. I love it. I did not buy this to be used as a serving tray. I mostly bought this to use to decorate my coffee table, which I'm going to be dropping a video on that soon. I ended up taking this color instead of the white, because when I thought about the white, I felt like it was just going to fit into the coffee table, because the coffee table has a little bit more of a lighter beige color. So this is going to give me that pop of color. So I think this is about 21 or 22 inches. I'm very excited to use this. I'm going to show you how I style my coffee table using this. And in the back, I believe it's kind of like wood, and it has these pieces of metal to hold this in place. It's very sturdy. It's a very good piece for $25. Well, it's $24.99, but I always round my numbers up. So for $25, I think this is a really nice piece. I ended up taking this because of the handles. The handles on the other one were really beautiful, but they were handles for someone who was going to use those to serve food, where I'm not using mine to be serving. This is to be decorating with. I am the one, the way your son don't need. So I like the sleek look of just all the same level. And if you want to use this as a food tray, it's just so pretty. It's a nice piece. I just love it. I really love it. Last but not least, which is my favorite, I was so happy when I saw it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's heavy. It's it's another pot. Before I open this, comment below what color you think this pot is. Just make sure you don't pick two. Comment below. This is by Cuisinart. I did see the Le Creuset brand, which is my goal. I would love to own one of those. This is my second cast iron pot. This is a 9/4 pot, so 8.5 liters. It's a big pot. It's a pretty big pot. It's actually the size I was looking for. Look at the beauty of this. Like, how can you not like it? And this was only $80, so $79.99. I won't mind using this for the next 5 years or so, and I don't know if it's gonna last up to 5 years because this is the pot I'm gonna be using on a daily basis. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna last. That gold touch. I wish the handles were also gold. Oh my god. If the handles were also gold, it would have been so beautiful. Okay guys, this is all I have for this video. If you made it this far in the video, I am thankful for you and I appreciate you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not yet done so, and that notification bell, and also hit that like button. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.